public representatives, and I would like to welcome the presidents of various clubs and associations. Welcome you all to Mysore, sir. Do you expect me to give a lengthy speech here, or you want to go ahead with the cultural program? Of course, you don't want to listen to a lengthy speech. During the Cutter Raiser ceremony, I had given a detailed speech. At that time, I had spoken about the contribution of Modi ji government in last 9.5 years and my own efforts in Mysore and Kodagu. This time I don't want to go into the details. For industrial growth or for the promotion of tourism, the prerequisite is connectivity. Be it road, rail or air connectivity. In this regard, the central government under our beloved Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, we have constructed 65 new airports in last 9.5 years. Now it is easy to get a passport than a ration card in India. We have opened up 441 post office passport seva kendras across in Karnataka itself. We have opened up 23 new passport kendras. If you go to any district headquarters, you will get a passport seva kendra. Passport is essential for the promotion of tourism. That is the reason I am just trying to convey the efforts of our central government under the able leadership of Modi ji. Sir, as far as connectivity is concerned, and let me give an example. Everybody says America is the land of opportunities. Of course, it is the land of opportunities. It became a land of opportunity only because of the developmental work they undertook after the Great Recession in 1929. When the American economy was reeling in the recession, the government had to give food for the common man. Instead of giving food for free, they gave the work, then the bread. If you see Cinderella Man movie, then you will understand what America did after 1929 Great Recession. If America is what it is today, it is because of the developmental work they undertook after 1929 Great Recession. They built highways, they built railway network, they built Hoover Dam, they built all kinds of basic infrastructure. Then only America became the land of opportunities for the industrial growth, for the promotion of tourism. The connectivity is very, very important. Under Modi ji, under Bharatmala 1 project, we are spending nearly 9 lakh crore for the development of road network. We are building highways, railways, we are bringing high-speed train projects. We are doing everything to promote industrial growth and tourism. I think it is the right time for SCAL India, SCAL International to promote Indian heritage, Indian tourist destination. The moment you get down in Delhi, it is the travel agents, it is the travel companies. They sell Jaipur, Agra and Delhi. And we have much more beautiful places than Agra, Jaipur and Delhi. We have the most beautiful palace in Mysore. For devotion we have Chamundeshwari Hill. For the animal enthusiasts, we have 2 national parks, Bandipur and Nagaland. We have everything in our backyard. And I request SCAL Mysuru, SCAL India to promote Mysuru in coming days. Sir, we are blessed with everything. What we need is little push from the tourism industry. Recently we met, I took Prashant and Ayappa sir to meet. I think Ayappa sir was there, I don't know, I can't remember. You were there. to meet the Honorable Tourism Minister. He is held up his, the forthcoming election in Telangana, otherwise he would have come here. Yeah, he was, he was kind enough to give a appointment in a short notice, but he is unable to come because of the election and other things. Next time, I will surely bring our Honorable Tourism Minister for these kind of programs. I expect and I request all the members of SCOL and various clubs and associations, please promote Mysuru. We have built a 10-line highway between Mysuru and Bangalore. Now we are expanding the Mysuru airport runway. It's going to be an international airport in the near future. And we have, doubled the railway track. We have electrified. We have introduced Vande Bharat Express. And soon we are going to inaugurate Software Technology Park of India. And we have brought 80 crore under Swadesh Darshan. Soon we are going to get another 193 crores for the construction of Unity Mall. We are going to have all kinds of facilities in Mysuru, but what we need is your support. I hope you guys will promote Mysuru in coming days. And once again, I thank all of you to come here and grace the occasion. And I hope you will enjoy another 4 days in Mysuru. Thank you once again on behalf of every Mysurian and the people of Kodagu. I will welcome you to the heritage city of Karnataka, Mysuru. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆನೆಗಳನ್ನ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇವಾಗ.
ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಚಾರ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕಾಡನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್.
ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಾಕಿನ ಆನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿದ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ಬು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗಿಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಂತೋಷ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಏನೋ ಆ ಥರ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
US ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಆನೆಗೆ ಕಡ್ಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಡ್ಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರ ಆನೆಗೆ? ಏನು
ನಾವು ಆನೆ ಸಾಕಲ್ಲ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋಜನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಜಿ ಊಟ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ?
ದೊಡ್ಡನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಜಿ 500 ಕೆಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತದೆ.
500 ಕೆಜಿ ಊಟ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಾ? ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮೆನ್, oh fantastic. See, if anybody wants to adopt an elephant, let me be very clear, 500 kilos of food is what is required on a daily basis.
ಅದು ಅದೇ ಮರಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಮರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಮರಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಕೊಡೋದು.
ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಲು. 10 ಲೀಟರ್ ಹಾಲು ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ. ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸರ್.
ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋಜನ್ ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಟಾನಿಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸೆಡ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಫ್ಯಾಂಟಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್.